tanong ko lang, Jada, kumbaga, ngayong nasa Viva ka na, ano yung mas gusto mong i-focus on your career? Acting or singing?
Sa tingin ko po, what I'm really thankful for is before I joined Viva, I joined UMG. And the real purpose of joining UMG was really to kind of be on the same path na ma-establish ko din po yung sarili ko as a singer, which I'm still on the road of doing. Pero ang masasabi ko po, I'm really excited din po to take a slight pivot din to really focus on my acting as well. Pero syempre, never ko naman makakalimutan po pagdating sa music. That will always be my first love and hindi yun mawawala. Pero I think para sa akin kasi importante din para sa isang artist na sometimes you take certain breaks or hahaluin mo din yung mga ganap mo para din, parang kumbaga mamimiss mo din yung music or you'll have something new to add or write new experiences to write about. So, ayun po, I would definitely say the perfect word would be magiging mas balance na po siya ngayon. Pero in the coming months, who knows when that may be. Pero all I can say is definitely acting will definitely come into play again for myself. So, ayun po.
Second question ko, Jada. Kumbaga, you're a good actress, di ba?
Salamat po.
Pero, kumbaga, ano masasabi yung good words sa sinabi ni Boss Vic sa'yo na parang you're the next multimedia star, di ba? Na iniling niya ka kala Sharon, kala Sarah, di ba? Anong masasabi mo doon?
Well, gaya nga po nung sinabi ko, and I'll never get tired of saying it, na grateful po ako dun sa kung paano niya ako naiisip in that manner. And syempre to be even in the same sentence as sila, Tita Sharon and Ninang Regine and all of the greats, it really is just such an honor. I'm really honored to be thought of in that light. And I just want to make my Viva family and everybody else proud. All I can say is rest assured I will do my best and yung full commitment ko po sa dito po sa industriyang to at sa gagawin ko po with Viva.
Thank you, Jada, and congratulations.
Salamat po.
Thank you as well, Alan. May we call on Rose Garcia from Marites University and Abante tonight.
Ayan. Good afternoon.
Hello
and
po.
Congrats, Jada.
Thank you po.
Of course, everybody knows that you're Jada, the daughter of your parents, of course. Pero aside from that, paano mo gusto magpakilala ngayon na kilalanin ka talaga, lalo na ng mga fans mo o ng mga magiging fans mo ngayon na you're part of Viva na?
Well, gaya po nung sinabi ni Boss Vic, ang pangarap ko po talaga is maging multimedia artist. I hope to be, obviously, I'm gonna put in yung tamang mga tamang gawa or the right work ethic para marating po yun. It's gonna be a long journey to get to there. But I feel very at ease. Syempre po, I feel like I'm with the right team who's able to do that for me. Pero yun po talaga, yun yung gusto ko makilala po ako as an all-around multimedia artist who's able to dabble in both singing and acting po, lalo na ako. So, ayun po. I would definitely say that's the kind of mark that I hope to leave dito po sa industriya na to. Sana po makilala po ako ng mga tao sa mga pelikula, sa mga project na gagawin ko po. Sana po makapagpasaya po ako ng mga tao sa mga projects ko po. And syempre po sa music ko po, makilala po nila ako at yung aking puso na binubuhos ko po sa lahat ng mga kanta na sinusunod ko. So, ayun po.
Na-mention mo na you like rom-com.
Yes.
Right now kasi nakaka-hit ng Mutiana Section E, di ba? Are you aware of that? And anong impression mo doon if ever you will be given a chance na mga ganong genre din? O napag-usapan niyo ba ito nila Boss Vic o Boss BR?
Yes. Well, opo, like I've definitely heard of Mutiana Section E and complete props to the whole cast of that show, at syempre to Viva, to Studio Viva. And ako talaga kasi I'm a fan of yung mga Wattpad adaptations. So I think that's one of my favorite types of projects that Viva does. So I'm very excited po na hopefully sana po magampanan ko yung mga ganun po ng roles. And yun po, that's really all I can say for now. I think those are the kinds of projects that I definitely gravitate to. So.
Okay. So, syempre ngayon may Andres and Astin, mga ganyan. Pero sabi nga, umiikot lang naman ang mga team up, di ba? Given a chance na kayo ni Andres naman ang pag-partnerin, lalo na pareho kayong mga anak ng mga celebrities. Are you open to that idea and ano sasabi mo?
Definitely po. I would definitely be open to working with him. Lalo na po if yan po yung nakikita po ni Boss Vic. In the end, that will be in his hands. Pero ako, like I said po, I'm really just keeping an open mind with whoever I can work with. And at the end of the day, kung sino po yung mga mabuti po sa proyekto po, I'm really excited po to work with different people as well. And really expand and learn more from different people bilang artista po. So yeah, I'm definitely open to working with him.
Okay, my last question. Kasi you've been in the industry na rin naman and you had your share of mga comments na rin from mga netizens, alam ko, medyo lumabas ka na rin in the past kahit pa paano, no? You had your share. So, ano yung pinaka medyo grabe na may iyak ka na ba? Or dumating ka rin ba sa point na parang, or mom and dad, parang I don't like it here na, parang I want another career or ibang ano naman, mundo?
Siguro po, I mean through the years, sa dami po ng mga natanggap mo din na mga bashing. Kasama po talaga siya. Yun po yung na-appreciate ko din po sa magulang ko po is nung ako po nag-decision din po ako na gusto kong pumasok sa show business. Sinabi na talaga nila sa akin na handa ka na ba na sa walang katapusang pagpapatunay ng sarili mo, tsaka yun nga na open ka na ba sa magiging kahit anong tanggap po sa inyo ng publiko. So, ayun po, I was definitely ready for it to an extent. Pero syempre, tao lang po ako. There are certain things na saktan din po ako, pero hindi naman po ako masyadong hinaan ng loob or napanghinaan ng loob. Kasi maganda po ang support system ko po. And basta ang sa akin, ang turo po sa akin ng tatay ko, there's no substitute for hard work. So, as long as wala naman po akong inaapakan na tao through what I do, all I can say is tuloy lang po talaga ako. And I keep a positive mindset pagdating sa industriya na to. Kasi yun nga po, ang dami po din nagtitiwala po sa akin. And mas mabigat po yung opinion po nila kasi sa mga ibang sinasabi ng mga bashers online.
That's good. Okay, thank you, Jayla.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much, Rose. And of course, thank you to all our friends from the press for the wonderful